Best AI tools for writing scripts and ideas. If you create content consistently, the hardest part is often not filming or editing. It is getting from a rough idea to a clear script that actually sounds good out loud. That is where the right AI tools can help. They can speed up brainstorming, turn messy thoughts into something structured, and make it much easier to move from a blank page to finished content. In this video, I will show you a simple workflow for using AI to generate ideas, write scripts, and stay organized without losing your creative voice. Why the right tools matter. AI works best when it supports the creative process instead of taking it over. The goal is not to let a tool replace your judgment, it is to remove friction so you can create more consistently. For faceless productivity and AI videos, that matters a lot. You may have strong topics in mind, but still waste time trying to find the right angle, shape the intro, or turn a few bullet points into something smooth and watchable. The right setup helps you keep momentum. One tool can help you think, another can help you write, and another can help you store and organize everything so your ideas do not disappear. The best AI tools in the workflow. The simplest way to think about it is to give each tool a job. Idea generator and refiner. Use a tool that is strong at brainstorming. This is the place to turn one topic into multiple angles, hooks, titles, and content variations. Scriptwriter and outline builder. Use a tool that can take your best idea and expand it into a clear structure. This is where bullet points become sections, examples, and full paragraphs you can read naturally. Organizer and content bank. Use a tool for storing ideas, tracking progress, and keeping your topics easy to find later. This helps you build a repeatable creator system instead of starting from zero every time. When these three roles work together, your workflow becomes faster and more reliable. How to use them together. Start with a single idea, title, or problem your audience cares about. First, feed it into your idea tool and ask for different hooks, angles, or formats. For example, one title can become multiple hooks: a curiosity-driven opening, a problem-solution opening, and a more direct promise-based opening. Next, take the strongest version and move it into your script tool. Ask it to expand your bullet points into full paragraphs, create a clean outline, or generate a few script variations so you can choose the best flow. Finally, save everything in your content organizer. Store the title, the hook options, the outline, the final script, and any follow-up ideas in one place so you can reuse and improve them later. Real ways to use them for content creation. One of the most useful ways to use AI is to turn a single title into multiple hooks. That gives you options for different audiences, tones, and levels of urgency. You can also take a rough list of points and expand it into full paragraphs that are easier to read aloud. This is especially useful when you already know the message, but need help shaping it into a smooth script. Another smart use is creating script variations. You might ask for a shorter version, a more energetic version, or a more educational version, then pick the one that best fits your channel style. On the organization side, a content bank helps you collect ideas over time. Instead of losing good thoughts in random notes, you build a library of topics, angles, and completed scripts that make future videos easier to create. That is how AI becomes part of a real creator system. It helps you brainstorm, write, and store ideas in a way that supports consistent output. Common mistakes to avoid. The biggest mistake is relying on AI without directing it. If you ask for something too vague, you usually get generic output that sounds flat and unfocused. Another mistake is accepting the first draft as the final draft. AI can give you momentum, but you still need to shape the tone, improve the examples, and make sure the script sounds natural when spoken aloud. It is also easy to overcomplicate the workflow. You do not need 10 tools. A simple system with one idea tool, one writing tool, and one organizer is often enough. And finally, do not let the tool replace your point of view. The strongest content still comes from your judgment, your experience, and your ability to choose what matters most to the audience. Closing takeaway. The best AI tools for writing scripts and ideas are the ones that help you move faster without losing clarity. They should make brainstorming easier, turn rough thoughts into clean scripts, and keep your content process organized. If you build a workflow around idea generation, script writing, and content storage, you create a system that is easier to repeat and improve over time. That is the real advantage of AI for creators. It is not about replacing creativity. It is about supporting consistent creation so you can spend more time making content that actually connects.